Installing a Luminar 4000 log set. Please read the instruction manual that came with your heater. First, log number 1. Top left. Line it up with the pins and gently push it down. Log 2. Top right. Log 3 drops onto a single pin on the middle left. Log 4. Here. Log 5 next to 4. Log 6 will go on the far right, here. Now the front row, log 7. Bottom left-hand side. In the middle, log 8 over the pilot. And log 9 on the right side. The Luminar 4000 has 4 cross logs. Place this one on the left. There's a dip in the log below to help with placement. Now the Y log here, covering up the gap below. Next, this cross log also covering the gap below. Then the last, the smaller Y log here. And now a completed Luminar 4000 log set.